Hello and welcome to my channel. I am BeardedDev. This is SQL Sunday Quiz. It's week 5 and we're going to be looking at SQL Functions. Just going to go over the question from last week, which was which of these is prone to SQL injection? The options were views, dynamic SQL, functions or non-clustered indexes. And the answer was dynamic SQL. Let's move on to the question for this week, week 5. So the question is, what result is returned when executing the following statement? Select 3 modulo 2. Is the answer 3, 2, 1.5 or 1? Put your answers in the comments below. And don't forget, if you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of great content on SQL programming, business intelligence, data analysis. And if you'd like to see your questions asked on the channel, do send me an email to askbeardeddev@gmail.com and I will post them. Thanks a lot for watching.